You've heard the buzz about Bitcoin, but what exactly is it? Is it just internet money, a passing trend, or the future of finance? In this video, I'll break it all down in simple terms, no tech jargon, no confusion. By the end, you'll know exactly what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why everyone's talking about it. Let's dive in. Number 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency. Think of it as money that exists only online. But unlike dollars or euros, it isn't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it runs on a decentralized technology called blockchain, which makes it secure and transparent. In simple terms, Bitcoin is like cash for the internet. It allows people to send and receive money instantly, anywhere in the world, without middlemen like banks. Number 2. How does Bitcoin work? So how does Bitcoin actually work? Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger that anyone can access. This ensures transparency and prevents fraud. When you send Bitcoin to someone, miners, powerful computers on the network, verify the transaction by solving complex math problems. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain, making it permanent and tamper-proof. Number 3. Why is Bitcoin valuable? Bitcoin's value comes from two main things: scarcity and utility. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created, making it scarce like gold. And because it's decentralized and secure, people see it as a store of value and a way to hedge against inflation. Some even call Bitcoin digital gold. Its price is influenced by supply and demand, so the more people adopt it, the more valuable it becomes. Number 4. How to get Bitcoin? Interested in getting Bitcoin? Here's how. 1. Buy it on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance. 2. Earn it by accepting Bitcoin as payment. 3. Mine it, though that requires special equipment and a lot of energy. Once you have Bitcoin, you'll need a wallet to store it. This could be a digital wallet on your phone or even a physical hardware wallet for extra security. Number 5. Common uses of Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't just for tech enthusiasts. Here's how people use it. 1. Payments. Use Bitcoin to shop online or transfer money globally with low fees. 2. Investments. Many see Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. 3. Savings. In countries with unstable currencies, Bitcoin provides a safer option. More companies and platforms are accepting Bitcoin every day, making it more practical than ever. Number 6. Is Bitcoin safe? Risks to consider. While Bitcoin is secure, it's not risk-free. Its price can be highly volatile, meaning it can rise or fall dramatically in a short period. There's also the risk of losing your wallet password or falling for scams. Always do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Bitcoin may sound complicated, but at its core, it's a revolutionary way to think about money. Now that you know the basics, what's your take on Bitcoin? Are you ready to dive in, or do you have questions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on cryptocurrency, investing, and tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.